all, hope each and everyone is doing well and good. And it is me, Dr. Amrita here, and this is going to be a very short video. This is a key home and a lovely message for all NEET PG aspirants. Please never ever disappoint because of this INI result, because this is not going to any way affect you. Just understand that here there is a very few number of seats are there in AIIMS, and we cannot say that all the institution in AIIMS is 100% best. Never going to be. So always be happy, and your target should be the next month 15th. And so many of them messaged to me that that they were not able to concentrate when they opened their book. Their minds automatically going to think, continuously thinking like how will be my result and what is going to happen, whether I'm able to correct or whether I just lose one more year, and so many chintas thoughts are coming. See guys, please never ever take anything into your mind. What you want to do at this moment is that never think about the outcome. Underline this statement: never ever think about the outcome. What is your karma is to sit and learn. And first of all, revise your primary source, what thing you were following. This is a crucial time. Please don't give over stress to your brain. This is a time where you want to stick on to what is your routine. So just read your primary thing. If you have got a note where you write all those mnemonics and all those things, yes, of course, read that. Previous year questions as well as previous year question topics important, because this is a time to revise. This is the only time to revise. If you guys want me to put important topics on any of the subjects which you feel difficult, I will finish it this month itself. That means within a 1 week itself. So guys, if you have got if you feel like one subject is going to disturb you like this, just we can discuss about the must wanted questions. And I have just put most of the subjects like medicine, surgery, OBG, all cheese and butters I have already put. And if you guys want me to put some other topics like some other subjects that you feel so much stress, yes, we can find. This is a time actually to find out the exam questions and to find, because this is going to be the crucial time. And yes, I always want to say that difficult roads often lead to beautiful destination. Of course, God have written beautiful seed for you already, and so why do you want to think about the outcome and to get our tense? So always remember, all depend upon at the time of examination how is your mindset, and everything is going to determine at the time of examination, and not going to be all your GTs. And I seriously know how many times I'm repeatedly saying this in many times, that I know people who have got a very good rank in the GTs then cannot make a good rank in the NEET. But I also have so many people who didn't expect a very good rank in the NEET do get good ranks, because it's already written here. So never lose your hope. So what we have is actually only this moment, see, next breath or nothing is in our control. So what is our thing? Our karma, that means your karma is to learn now. Please never think about the outcome. You will definitely win this race. None of them can defeat you, because this year is going to be yours. And this is me, Dr. Amrita here. If you want to see more videos, just do guys subscribe my channel, and thank you for listening me.